How to change your email on SHEIN. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how to do so, here's how you do it. So for that, what you can do is you can head over and open up the SHEIN application or the SHEIN website on your particular device. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface once you are logged in. So what you can do is you can just locate the Me tab, usually located in the bottom right of the application, tap on it. And once you tap on it, your profile opens up and different other options are also available. Now from here, select the gear icon, the settings in the top right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then once you tap on it, your settings opens up. Now from the given options, look out for the option called Manage My Account within Settings. Find it up and select it. And once you select it, here you will be finding this section right here. So you may select the email option right here. It is on the first option, tap on it. And here, if you have added any kind of email here, you can just go ahead and tap on option, and you can look out for the option called change. You can tap on change button, and you will be prompted to verify the email address by entering the code sent to your current email address. And after the verification completes, you can go ahead and enter up a new email address like this right here. So in this section, you can just go and type in your new email address. And once you type it in, you will be getting a verification code again. You just need to go ahead and enter it up here, tap on send and tap on submit. And that way your email address will be changed on your SHEIN application quickly. And that is it. So therefore, if you would like to change your email on SHEIN, you may also follow the same process. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.